Brace yourself, this is Qatar Part 2. How Qatar managed to host the FIFA World Cup 2022. So let me quickly tell you how it is done. In short, it works exactly how the democracy works. People cast their votes and the one with the majority votes wins. This isn't the story of voting. This is a story of what exactly happened. There is an executive committee with many members who vote, and those who vote decide the host. Quite boring, isn't it? I have to tell you with a little context. Now the showdown. Qatar got 14 of its executive members to vote for her. Sounds simple, isn't it? But it's a simple hai nahi. There is a controversy cloud or a mystery cloud buzzing around it. Let me begin with a committee member who made the news headline. Mohammed bin Hammam, Qatar representative of the executive committee. Hammam made a headlines of allegedly offering a handsome sum of money to someone else. Let's just keep it that way. To cast their vote. This became a hot topic so much that Times UK ने भी publish किया a news of transaction. A transaction worth $5 billion. Too perfect of a coincidence, isn't it? Let's just keep it that way. Africa में एक meeting हुआ था with the African member of the committee will decide who will host the event. And the meeting was sponsored by certain someone. Guess who? Qatar herself. Now Qatar sponsored the meeting. तो उसका आउटकम क्या होगा? Not just that. Rumors ये भी चल रहा है कि कतार ने lakhs of bribe दिया था for the vote. This we know from many sources. One of them was woman. Can you just smell the sweet controversy here? A woman who was involved with the Africa and the Qatar, and the first meeting leaked news about the bribe. Then she said, no, I lied. There was no bribe. Then she goes on to say that she was forced, that she lied. And आप ही decide कर लो what to believe. Not just that, कुछ members and leaders ऐसे भी थे who were caught red-handed taking bribes, and evidence full proof था. There is no going back as the news reached the media. So their votes were disqualified. But still Qatar wins. How did they do that? I have been asking this question since my last video. But I am just getting warm up. Let's go to Thailand now. Thailand and Qatar के बीच में negotiation चल रहा था regarding the deal for the natural gas. And उसमें present था a member of football executive committee. Even I am thinking and asking the same question. थोड़ा सा out of place है, isn't it? But you can't simply understand the logic. 1 + 1, what? But intention clear है. I'm of course not gonna say that. And of course, ये issue sensation बन गया था. It became more wild than anything else. So much that the confidential email of the gas deal leak हुआ था. And in one such email, we got a proof of the fact that a football person was involved. Qatar affairs, as I may call. And these were the sources collected by the people who were involved in this issue almost a decade back. The European vote. TRT World के वीडियो में FIFA के प्रेसिडेंट ने ओपनली कहा था कि यूरोप रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मिशेल प्लेटिनी was influenced to vote for Qatar. But Europe, isn't it unshakable? And again, how Qatar? How did Qatar pull this stunt? I am curious. You know why? It was revealed to many sources, and later Platini ने admit किया था he was made a very tempting offer, something he wanted for a long. Meeting with French president. Story in a nutshell: Qatar pulled some string, make some giant ironclad purchases, and the end result of it, Platini convinced. Planned work. For voting for US, he went to vote for Qatar. What I have told you is just a major details. और भी बहुत कुछ हुआ था, but I think this is mind-blowing enough. Now in the end, Qatar wins, got significantly more votes than US, the superpower. But why? Just a football. For some of you watching, it is just a game. So why? Taking you back to my last video, football isn't just a game. It has become an emotion to billions. It is very source of uniting humans around the globe. That is a superpower in itself. So many doors were open, even beyond comprehension. This is why Qatar did what it did, and the rest you simply know. If you enjoy watching this video, please do subscribe to our channel. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करिए and अपने फुटबॉल फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए.